Welcome back to Portugal Muse in central Portugal. If you're new to the channel, we're Owen and Dave, a British couple that are renovating our house here. Last week you saw us start to take down our old Portuguese bread oven. This week we finished taking down the bread oven, but do I manage to tackle the massive pile of rubble? Watch till the end of the vlog to find out. Wow. Dave.
Yeah. Could you throw me that bit up that's down there, please?
That came down really quick.
What?
That was really quick.
It's not be that quick. It's by the corner of that board.
Do I need to come up with this?
It's like full of wet mud in the bottom. It's all giant rocks. Sorry, it won't slip if it's dug in at the bottom.
So it was hollow.
Yeah. With massive rocks across the top.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
What?
Oh, that looks big.
Huh?
That looks dangerous. What if it breaks the whole thing?
Well, the others did.
Dave,
A couple of them were just as big.
what are you worried? Are you worried about it falling down?
Oh!
Dave,
I'm so scared! What?
serious though, because if that falls,
I've had a good innings!
if that falls,
57 this month. That's enough for anyone
Dave,
in this rubbish world.
if
What?
that
If
falls
that falls,
and
breaks
there,
that, save me having to do it.
no, but the whole thing will go.
I wondered about taking this down. I might just cut through that and let it fall.
Because there's going to be some weight on that.
Yeah, it's the same size as one of them other ones.
Right, I've got your phone. I'm going to film it. What's the code?
Don't tell everyone on YouTube
Well, I'll
that.
obviously cut that bit out.
How could you remember a week later, but you couldn't remember 30 seconds later? I'll need that when I die.
In a minute.
I'm going to wait then.
I won't be. I'll be 2 seconds.
I'll start carrying on taking this bit up down. You think this base has supported maybe 100 times this weight, so I don't think there's anything to worry about with these rocks. Ready?
Oh my god.
A little throw out.
So I put all the dogs in.
Yeah. See this? Fuck, it's disgusting. Look, it's like diarrhea. It's full of it in the bottom. It's just wet mud though that's washed through. I suspect it's got something to do with ants. Ant poo. I think it might be ant poo.
Ant poo.
All this gunge in the bottom. Well, it was full of ants, and there's like this disgusting stuff in the bottom.
Do you think
Alien ant poo, like the band.
it's oh my goodness. That
It
was
wasn't very dramatic, was it?
That was the one I was worried about.
Well, the other one was bigger than that.
Okay. You want your clothes back?
For what?
What are you doing, basically?
I am strong. Look. There you go. Now I just need to shovel this lot up.
So what's the next stage? Like, what's the plan with it?
What's the message? The next stage.
Because obviously you've got the one pillar holding it all up. So
Is there only one? You said there was two. I don't know yet. Chip away.
I'm wondering if you take the pillar down, will the whole thing fall? Or
no, it will stay floating there, and then somehow I've still got to get it down without killing myself.
Exactly.
Right, so I'm going to use the dynamite that we've got. Blow it up.
Okay.
Left over from the back robbery. After all, that is why we're in Portugal on the run. Oh, it's disgusting. At least it don't smell. I don't think it does.
Say.
Tell us the truth, aye. Don't step backwards.
You can. It looks like it smells, but it doesn't smell.
It doesn't smell at all. I think it's just wet mud. It's just washed through.
It's just gotten damp, isn't it?
It's been filling up with water for years. Too old for this malarkey.
Do you want to swap?
Huh?
Do you want to swap?
Swap what?
You can hold the camera and I'll do that.
What, now there's 3 shovelfuls left?
Exactly.
Not really. You're making the camera shake with your mocking.
No, I got.
There you go.
I've got an image stabilizer.
Have you? You're filming that shovel. Right, I need to take this bit down now.
What bit?
I'm only going
This is the wall.
this bit, and then down to this course here, and then I can build clean on top of that one.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking we could put some nice tiles down and put a table and chairs up here. No? You're not feeling that idea. You're not feeling that idea, no? Table and chairs. What's traffic?
How would you get up there?
The ladder. Like you are with the tea. No?
I thought you were going to come down.
Oh, God, it's still going, isn't it? So I'm a bit concerned about how much it goes into the wall. Does it go into the wall?
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Sort of.
Ah, so it's resting on that corner. So
Well, it's on that lintel. I don't see what it's on there. I think it's just like half in.
Yeah, because it's not sitting on top of the brick, is it? Can you see?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
Okay, so it's not in the wall.
I think it is a bit. I think they just poked them bits in to fill the hole up.
Because the course of bricks isn't the same.
Yeah, I know. So I might have to take that bit out.
Is it worth just taking that bit out?
Yeah, I think I'm going to have to. Which is a bit annoying.
How are you feeling about redoing all that?
What, that?
When you see how much rubble it creates, it kind of puts you off, doesn't it?
We need to do it. Are we going to go and have this round there? Or?
Yeah. I thought maybe we should just fill it in.
It's not a good job.
No.
You impressed?
I'm shocked.
Shocked?
I feel like I need to wear like goggles though.
Probably.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I finish now?
No, you've done loads in like a short amount
Can you
of
do
time.
us a favour? Can you take these round then?
The machines.
Yeah.
I'm not going to try and name them, so I don't have to be here.
Breaker and grinder.
Breaker and grinder.
Yeah. No, you pulled in the window or thrown out the window and I'll wind it up.
Is this something I can do?
No.
No?
The only way that's coming off is
So
a very,
it's-
very, very hard swing with a sledgehammer.
So it's the rebar in it.
And then you have to cut the rebar as you go in. And it's like
Yeah, don't do too
the
much.
shock waves through your body is insane.
Wow.
But it's coming off. At first I was cutting it into squares with this, scoring it in the top and then breaking it out with a breaker, and it would have took weekend after weekend after weekend doing that. So I got this and did some angry throws. And it worked. This, wait till you see the video of me taking this down. It's great.
Oh my god.
There's still the bottom bit's got to be done up.
Look at how much ripple there is. So, what's the plan? We're definitely
Get it all out there.
we're going to pay someone.
I think. Do you think I should take this out or not? I think I ought to.
Take what out?
This wall.
Oh, this bit here.
I mean, look,
The main thing that sold it to me about redoing it was
look, that's through to the other side.
oh, for God's sake, Steve. Okay. It's what you were saying about the insulating.
Yeah.
It will lose its insulation, right?
Yeah. I think I will take it out.
Well, how much of it is? It's only this bit that's bad, isn't it? You don't
Well, no,
want to
look, this is like just solid
Oh, that's
cement.
right,
Look, it's
filled
come
in
out.
with it.
And it,
So there's
we're
no
talking about what, 50 tijolos?
So there's no point getting the people at the tip to come and collect the rubble
I don't know how big their lorry is.
until we've done this.
I don't know how big
Well,
their
I think
lorry is.
they've got massive lorries. Basically, you pay for what you want.
But also, this could just go in there when we dig it out. Right, I'm going to finish breaking this post up. And then I'm done for today. I might take that down tomorrow, but I need somewhere safe to put the ladder here. Because I need a really good swing from the ladder.
So,
But I need to get this out of the way.
right,
And I'm knackered now.
yeah.
But I could clear this, put the ladder back up and carry on.
No.
The arms are like, you know, when you say your ears are ringing, the arms are ringing.
Well,
Because they're solid.
the whole house has been shaking.
Yeah, it's solid. I don't know, do you want me to wait? I don't want you to get bits in your eyes.
Okay, so you're going to finish shortly.
I'm going to break this up and pack up.
Okay, and then maybe get back to it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll take that down tomorrow.
Okay.
But you were going to take them around for me.
I can take these.
You don't have to put that in its box, just leave it on top of its box.
So it just goes in the downstairs.
Big one. But yeah, that won't put it back in its box because I'll use it again.
You do it.
Yeah.
Wait 2 seconds. I reckon the dogs can come out now, right?
Let me finish doing this first. And then can you throw this lead out the window? I'll wind it up. On. Crikey. Oh dear. Lovely. Oh, here we go again. Monica went past.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she said she's like really thankful. She's got all of her team with her.
Did she want the keys? Did she not say anything?
No, she's just really grateful.
Oh. How's it going?
All right, nearly done. Pretty much all I'm going to do is this, because I need to get some rest for tomorrow.
I know. Will you take down the lever?
Yeah, obviously. As I have done along here, look.
It looks so much bigger.
I can't really get the ladder where I want it because there are big rocks in the way.
Is it safe, yeah?
Oh yeah, it can't go anywhere. I could do with being another 30 centimetres that way. Done. God, has Aaron not picked all of this up yet? Right. Aaron? Isn't it all right? Need to get rid of that ivy.
Yeah. Because it's damaging the wall here, right?
Well, yeah, because I can't repair this wall because it's covered in ivy.
So this is 3 square meters of rubble?
No.
2.
Cubic meters.
1.5.
No, it's more.
It is.
It ain't far short of 3, you know, looking at it, thinking about it.
So
It's
between,
just difficult because the ground slopes up here, so you think there's not as much there as you think.
okay, so between what's here and what's already out there,
Yeah.
I said to the guy at the tip,
Probably 6.
well, I said 8.
Might be. It might be.
Okay,
It could be.
because when I asked for the price, I kind of need to describe,
Take some pictures.
describe what
Take
we've
some
got.
pictures with you, and you'll know from that.
Because they charge per hour,
Yeah.
so it's basically how long
And
it
check,
takes
make
them.
sure they don't charge you weight on top of that.
Well, this is what I was thinking.
It could be they might then charge you for the weight.
And then the weight, yeah.
That's just the collection.
And then it's expensive.
Do you want to do it?
No, so it wasn't that difficult. Well, physically demanding, but it didn't take loads of time.
It was exactly what I thought. It just reminded me of taking down chimneys. I took that, taking down hundreds of chimneys.
It didn't take you long.
Do you remember the giant chimney on the top? That took me 45 minutes from start to finish.
That's insane.
And I threw all of them down here. All of those bricks. That comes apart quite easy. This was solid. It weren't falling down. That would have stayed there another 100 years, I reckon.
And just to explain, the reason we've taken down the bread oven was one, it was getting full of water and the damp was coming in the kitchen.
It's very ugly as well.
It's ugly, but also we're hoping to build some sort of shed here. So that's the plan. Right. Good.
Right. I'm trying to think where to put the iron, steel. Shall I just leave it here for now?
No, because the dog.
Pointy.
Yeah.
I could land on that and I'll fall out the window. Oh my god.
So,
I
yeah.
forgot to cut that bit off.
Oh, that's the pillar.
What if I just leave that bit sticking up like that for now?
That would really annoy me.
Okay then. Well, you have to throw the orange lead out the window again
Oh,
then.
for God's sake, Steve. You know what they say about builders? You'll never finish a job.
I'll be back next week to do that. I just love these multi-material blades. Even my miter saw will cut through wood, steel and concrete. Saves all that messing about changing blades. Hello? Is there anybody there? Owen? You can't get the help these days.
What do you reckon? Put these in the downstairs?
You can put them out there if you outside if you want. Put them anywhere you like. You can put them in this bit here, on the other side of this wall.
It's just the dangerous stuff. Get out of the way.
Big bits.
You know what the dogs are like.
Oh, I've not left anything up there again, have I? No.
It's like you said, you've got to give your body a break.
Well, it was the, you know, in your arms, in camera and stuff, I was like that.
The space looks so much bigger with that down. Don't you think? Quite a big space.
Yeah.
Steve, if we build a shed that runs the length of this, that's a decent sized shed. And then you've still got plenty of vegetable garden.
Yeah.
We never really used this space because it was full of rocks.
Just rocks, yeah.
Sometimes the butternut squash crawled up here, but
Well, it don't really get in the sun, does it, this bit?
no, it's ideal for a shed.
Yeah, you don't want shed getting hot. In little things, little bits.
Right, call it a day now
Call
then?
it a day.
Yeah, have a bit of a rest. Thank you for joining us again this week. I was really hoping to have finished moving the huge pile of rubble to the front, ready to be collected, but it just hasn't stopped raining this week, so it's been really tricky moving it. And once it gets wet as well, it gets heavier and it gets stickier. So I'm hoping for some nicer weather next week, and I can keep going with moving the pile of rubble. When it rained this week, I just got on with little jobs indoors and keeping the dogs happy because they hate it when it rains. So thank you so much for watching again. Success is that the bread oven is down. We just need to make good now, so we need to clear everything. I need to clear the ivy, and then we're gonna pressure wash and render where we've taken it down. So thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I've been really enjoying your comments. It's been really good catching up with people we haven't chatted to in a while, so it's really nice. So yeah, just don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Have a good Sunday and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye from me and Dave and the doggies.